Hello and welcome to this video on simplifying algebraic expressions. Alright, so this is first covered in Year 8 maths, but it continues throughout high school. So let's check it out. We're going to answer these 4 questions, and I'd really recommend you pause the video and try them out yourself first. That would be great, and then just check your answers alongside my answers. So simplifying algebraic expressions with adding and subtracting. Let's check it. Simplify. 7x plus 2x plus 8 plus 4. All right. First thing to know is that you can only add like terms. So I can only add these and these. I like to underline them in like the like terms in either zigzag or straight lines, just to distinguish them. So 7x plus 2x, well, that is 9x. 8 plus 4 is 12. As simple as that. You've simplified it. You've condensed it into this by collecting and adding like terms. Another one, 4m plus 5, take 2m, take 3. All right, I like to underline my like terms. Remember to take that sign at the front, and then I'll underline these ones in a different style. You can rewrite them, and that's called collecting terms, collecting like terms. So let's do that. 4m take 2m plus 5 take 3. And let's do it. Can only add terms that are like. 4m take 2m, 4 take 2 is 2. 5 take 3 is 2. So that means positive 2, right? So plus 2. Just like that. 12ab take 3ba plus 5ab take ba. What's going on here? Now, something to remember is that a times b is the same as b times a. The order doesn't matter. So in fact, at first glance, you might think, okay, this is a like term, this is a like term, this and this is a like term. They are actually all like terms, so we can condense them into one term. The order in which you multiply things doesn't matter. All right, doesn't affect the final result. So let's actually just undo all that. Okay, let's go. So 12 take 3, 12, 11, 10, 9. Yes, I used my fingers. So 9ab, let's just condense it a bit. And let's condense that bit. Positive 5 take 1, 5 take 1 is 4. So and remember there's an invisible 1 here, which is important. So 5 take 1 is 4. You can call it AB or BA. And 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 AB. Remember, invisible 1s, and the order doesn't matter. AB and BA are like terms. 7q squared plus 5q plus 10rq squared. Okay, we can only add or subtract like terms. Now let's check if these are like terms. Well, q squared r q squared. I could also write that as q squared r, right? These are indeed like terms, but the q on its own, that is just going to remain on its own. So we'll just underline that straight. So we can always group the terms if we want. 7q squared r plus 10. I can rename it q squared r if I want. It's all the same. So that's my collecting like terms step. And then you can only add like terms. Remember, 7 plus 10, 17, q squared r plus 5q. All right. And that brings us to, so simplify algebraic expressions, adding and subtracting. These are the 3 things to remember. Collect like terms and add their coefficients to simplify. Remember invisible 1s. So whenever I see a variable sitting alone, I just write a little 1 out the front of it. And that clarifies things for me. The order of the variables doesn't matter because of multiplication. AB is the same as BA, and they are indeed like terms. So that's something else to remember. The powers of each variable must be the same to be considered like terms. So x squared and x are not like terms. You cannot add them. All right, back here. Q is not a like term to q squared. Has to, be exactly the same, but the order doesn't matter. So I hope that makes sense, and I will see you in the next video for simplifying algebraic expressions with multiplying and dividing. Okay, I'll see you then.